Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. How are you? Tell me in the comment section, and thank you so very much for supporting my videos, liking my videos and subscribe to my channel. I thank I have no words for thanks to you all. Keep supporting, keep sharing my videos, and keep liking my videos. Thank you so much for all your love. If you guys uh, if you guys want more tutorials, you can tell me in my comment section. I read all of your comments, and I'm trying to request to complete. Sorry guys, I have not much good English, but so. Let's begin the tutorial. Let's go. I have this most beautiful abaya. This is uh, this. I am wearing this and right back. So I am wearing the abaya. Now start the tight niqab tutorial. Let's go. I have this hijab. This one color hijab. Okay. First of all, I am wearing this. Um, Next step is I am wearing this on my whole face. Okay, wearing this on my whole face. Now I am wearing this. Now we should double the यूं करके we are doing this like pin up from here. Now we are putting this side, short side, and putting it into the, oh my god, pin up from here. This is so loose. Pin up from here. Now put this side. And pinning up. And now you should tightly pin up. I am wearing the loose hijab actually. Now I am using this pin. This is tightly secure your hijab. Like this. And now I am going to long side, fold this long side on my neck like this tightly. Now, now, now is the main step. Take this part and turn it over your head. I am putting this part here and pin up this section. Tightly pin this section and now back. Now set your hijab. And now I am putting the crown. This is the crown which is made by my own. I am putting this lace. It is actually a lace, okay, which are putting on our clothes. Putting in your head. Is it looking good? Actually, it is look like this. Bye bye. Like please.